So in this video, I just want to share with you what you can do if you're like me and you live in a really hilly environment and you have no way to get that golden hour backlight because the sun dips beneath the hills way too soon. So I just wanted to show you, this is up in my backyard. I'm using the AD200 and various strengths because the lighting environment changed significantly from moment to moment. So I just wanted to show you what I typically do. And I know that the video on this is really crappy, but hopefully I can redeem myself in upcoming videos. So we're just going to go through this, show you how I use it outside and also how I use it as a rim or hair light in studio. Okay guys, so here's my cull, and these are all just straight out of the camera. I did edit a few of them, so I will put those in as well, but let's just take a look. They look amazing straight out of the camera, and that's what happens when you shoot wide open like this. What I didn't like was my hill. So this is my backyard and we have this huge hill. Our whole area is full of hills. So you'll see in the edits that I really tried to get rid of that line. And this is when I raised the light up a little bit higher. We got that kind of moody, misty light behind her. The problem with living in an area where there's hills is that even though sunset isn't for a while afterwards, it's brutal because with the hills, the sun dips down long before golden hour, and as much as I wanted to have backlight, it was just gone. And it's difficult to find flat places where you actually have backlight. You have to kind of add in the flash and make it work. So you can see that the long sync time with high-speed sync with the AD200 meant that I did quite a few images without the flash at all. But they still look super beautiful. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. Now, the only issue, as you can see here with the flash, is that the detail in the wings completely disappeared, which is sad because look at the detail. It's pretty nice, right? But yeah, Gracie's 17 years old. She's an amazing singer. And I really hope that she finds an amazing amount of success because not only is she beautiful, but she's super talented. Now, I didn't shoot this portion only because I have these amazing rock steps that go all the way up to the area where we shot before, and it's just hard to find a place to put the light stand because it's just difficult. So then we came inside, I threw on a dress that I've thrifted a long time ago, and we just started doing some studio work. And as you can see, she's just incredible. I love her. So these were shot with one light. It was a 4-foot Octabank camera left feathered, and then I decided to add in an AD200 behind her for a little bit of pop. And you know, if you're shooting images like this, they are nice, but don't be afraid to add in light. So you can see here that I initially had it behind her camera left, and I noticed that it was creating some pretty harsh, bright highlights on her face. I didn't want that, so I moved it to the other side, which is absolutely perfect. Adjusted the brightness so that it was more like a subtle highlight and not like these where they were really blown out. And then yeah, she just killed it. Look at this girl. I hope she goes places. I think she's amazing. Like, look at this. Look at that face. What? Yeah. So these are the ones that I didn't actually record the behind the scenes. I think we shot for maybe 5 minutes and that was it. But I will show you a couple edits from these as well. And let's get on to it.